Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I am going to show you guys on how to resolve the Windows factory functions being stuck at a random percentage, whether at be 68%, 90% or 22% in Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. So really could be any arbitrary value. So basically, if you're experiencing this issue on Windows and a lot of processes that run on the Windows systems, they can cut out on a random percentage. Doesn't mean that it's not continuing to run in the background and displayed graphically. It means a percentage, it stats that it's running, it's been completed. Then I'll show you some helpful method. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to click on the search menu and then type mo lang dito yung settings and then click mo lang dito yung open. And then dito sa settings, ang next step, dito lang sa system and then dito sa right side, scroll down and then sinik mo lang dito yung recovery. Okay, so click mo lang tong recovery. And then dito sa recovery, ang next step ay dito lang sa recovery actions. Under nito ay dito lang sa advanced startup. Dito sa right side ay kailangan mo nang i-click tong restart now. Okay? So once na-click mo na tong restart now, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin. So close lang natin tong settings. Dito lang sa search menu. And then type mo lang dito yung CMD. Or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. And then kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control and then click tong yes. And then dito sa administrator command prompt and then kailangan lang natin i-type yung command keyword na sfc /scan now. So in all small letter lahat and then yung /scan now ay one word po yan. And then press mo lang yung enter. And makikita mo na dito na beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verification phase of system scan. So, kailangan lang natin hintayin na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. So, ang next step ay close lang natin tong CMD. And then dito lang si start menu and then kailangan lang natin mag-restart. So, i-click mo lang itong restart. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix this PC stuck at 68% during reset recovery in Windows 11 or Windows 10. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.